In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a dimension style in AutoCAD. By the end, you will have a clean, consistent dimension style you can reuse across drawings, which saves time and ensures your annotations look professional. Start by opening the Dimension Style Manager. In the command line, type dimstyle or simply D and press Enter. This brings up the central place where all your dimension styles live. Next, create a new style. Click New. Give your style a clear name like Custom Dim so it's easy to recognize later, and choose an existing style to base it on. Using a common template such as ISO 25 gives you a solid starting point with sensible defaults, which you can then tailor to your standards. Now, configure the settings on the Lines tab. Set the color, line type, and line weight for your dimension and extension lines. If your drawings are organized by layers, setting these to bilayer is a smart move. It lets you control appearance globally from your layer settings, keeping your file consistent and easier to maintain. Move to the Symbols and Arrows tab. Choose the arrowhead style that fits your drafting standard. For example, architectural ticks if that's what your project requires. Adjust the arrow size to a value that reads clearly at your plotting scale. The goal is visual clarity. Arrows that are too small get lost, and arrows that are too large overwhelm the drawing. On the Text tab, pick a text style and color, and set the text height. Keep it consistent with your other annotations so everything feels unified. For placement, using above for text location helps keep labels legible and out of the way of the dimension line, reducing clutter and avoiding overlaps with geometry. Then go to Primary Units, choose the unit format you need, such as decimal or architectural, and set the precision to match your project's requirements. This ensures the numbers you place on the sheet communicate exactly the level of accuracy your team expects. When you are satisfied with the settings, make the style active. Click Set Current so all new dimensions you place use this style automatically, and then click Close to return to your drawing. From this point forward, any dimensions you create will follow these standards, and if you need to tweak the look later, you can come back to the Dimension Style Manager and adjust without redrawing anything. That's it. Thanks for watching.